So, I mean, the only, I guess, point of contention was the GPS device. Such a sad case, right, Tim?
You know, quite honestly, all these cases, you go into the courtroom and the one constant is that everybody in that room's lost. A young man driving a car with his friends, his 4 friends are gone forever. You know, sons and kids in the community's been affected forever. It's an absolute tragedy. That's the only word for it.
It's almost like the crash itself was punishment enough, and yet you have a duty to prosecute.
You know, we still have 4 young men, 17-year-old men whose lives were taken. And so we have a responsibility to go forward with these cases, which is what we will do, and try to seek justice for them and justice for their families and for the community. I think that's our job.
Could you talk a little bit about the decision to prosecute as a youthful offender versus an adult or a juvenile?
Well, when there are serious matters such as this, and this is a serious matter, we have the opportunity to do that on certain occasions, and that's what we chose to do, and brought evidence to a grand jury who made the determination as what the ultimate charges were going to be. The manslaughter allegation with the other motor vehicle homicide allegations. So, you know, I think you make your determinations based upon the evidence, based upon the law, and based upon the situation. And this was a terrible situation where 4 young men have lost their lives.
Could you talk at all about the decision not to request bail in this case? Some people might question why, with 4 people dead, why bail wasn't requested.
I think in this instance, the young man was a juvenile at the time when this occurred. He just turned 18. He had no history of any amount to request bail to come to court. Bail is an amount of money that usually comes up to make sure that people show up at court. So we make sure that we do that. But I don't think that in this instance, I think the conditions are suitable. I think the situation whereby he showed up here in court today, and I think the families are satisfied with the result today, and as am I, and I'm hopeful that the case will just continue to work in the correct fashion.
Okay. Thank you.